As you can see, so far I made over $3,500 promoting the ClickFunnels affiliate program. All right, I am inside my ClickFunnels affiliate dashboard. As you can see, I got lifetime earnings of $3,500. Paid out already $2,900. Got 628 pending. 270 ready for payout. 200 another 270 ready for payout next Monday. And then I got more money in holding. And the last 7 days, 157. If I scroll down, look at my lifetime, I got 28 new trials going right now, and 4 of them trialing right now. Let's see, my current monthly recurring revenue is at $1,600. I got over $1,000 from the ClickFunnels Platinum program, 17 people from the regular, $97 per month plan. But yeah, man, what I want to do is show y'all the ClickFunnels affiliate program overview. I pay up to 40%. A lot of people get that confused because starting out, ClickFunnels puts you on 20%. So as you can see, ClickFunnels affiliates start at 20%. Then once you get 40 active ClickFunnels members that's paying a fee every single month, you can earn up to 40%. So that's really what I'm trying to get at right now. I'm almost there. I need about 16 more people before they bump me up to 40% monthly recurring, and that would make a big difference in my monthly revenue. So what I'm doing right now is I'm about to implement. I'm actually going to set it up on this video, exactly how I'm about to scale up my traffic using YouTube ads. So I'm going to walk y'all through all of that stuff, and then I'm going to go over the affiliate strategy that you can use to set up the same exact thing that I'm doing right now. So the ClickFunnels 3K affiliate strategy is, first off, just finding your audience. Finding your audience is basically people that's looking or searching for ClickFunnels or features of ClickFunnels. So for example, if you was interested in ClickFunnels, what would you do? You'll go to YouTube, you'll go to Google, type in, you'll look up reviews for a product, because those people, especially people that's searching for reviews of any product, those are the people that's on the edge of buying. All you need to do is get them to buy from you. So the question you would ask is, why would anybody buy from you instead of just going straight to ClickFunnels? So what you could do is give away some type of incentives. As you can see right here, you can give away a ClickFunnels course that you made, somebody else made, give it to them. You can give them done for you landing pages or funnels. So for instance, if you're a gym owner and you're looking for a sales funnel builder, and boom, somebody go and you search that on YouTube, best landing page builder for gym owners or something like that. You go create a video around that topic, and then you giving the person that's watching that video an incentive, like, hey, you sign up to ClickFunnels under me, I give you 3 sales funnels that you can use for your gym memberships or whatever the case may be. You can give them a free ebook, something that adds on to what they already looking for. That's basically the type of incentives you want to give. And you want to kind of skip this step, but you got to create the valuable content. So creating valuable content, you can create YouTube videos. If you don't want to create YouTube videos, you can write articles. You can pay somebody to write the article for you, set up a blog and all that stuff, and get it ranked so that way people can find you. So after you found your audience, you make a list of keywords. So let me just show y'all. So ClickFunnels, example keywords. You can make a video surrounding ClickFunnels training, ClickFunnels tutorial, ClickFunnels pricing, the cost, the affiliate program, review, affiliate marketing, so on and so forth. What I recommend is make at least 30 different topics that you could talk about, and you can get even more ideas just by clicking on the video. Go on the video tags right here. You can create more. ClickFunnels best landing page builder. Is ClickFunnels worth it? ClickFunnels alternatives and things like that. Best landing page builder. Create content surrounding each keyword. Rank it onto YouTube so you can get traffic month after month. As you see, my video got 6,000 views on it, and I published this April 3rd. Whatever, I got 6 dislikes. But whatever. And like I said, my incentives was bonuses right here. If you go to right here, get my 30 plus done for you landing pages for free. So anybody that signs up to ClickFunnels under my link get access to 30 done for you landing pages they can use for affiliate marketing, because that's mainly what I do. If y'all follow my channel, you already know that. And yeah, I figure, because I'm lazy, I don't want to sit up here and make landing pages all day. How good can it be if you go and join ClickFunnels under somebody that's giving you 30 plus done for you landing pages that you can use to promote your ClickBank, your CPA offers, whatever network that you're in. So it's literally just like swapping out your affiliate link, and you can set up and run ads right away instead of having to learn it yourself. You can give away a ClickFunnels mini course or whatever. So I give away a course plus done for you landing pages just to make it easier for the consumer. Because you gotta think, man. Even though you can sign up to ClickFunnels and get an affiliate link and start promoting right away, you really just got to sit and ask yourself, why would anybody want to just pay $97 per month for my link? What is it? What do I have to offer to them to make them sign up for me versus just going straight to ClickFunnels.com and just signing up? They don't need you. So definitely give some good incentives. You can watch my video review on ClickFunnels, and if you search ClickFunnels review 2020, my video should be ranked somewhere. Oh man, my video is a lot lower than I thought it was, but let me see if I search it again, if it'll go up. Sometimes it do that, I don't know why. Oh, it's still in the same spot, but yeah, I created this video. It took me about 20 minutes to make, and what I'm about to do, actually, and right in front of y'all, I set up a YouTube ad to promote this video, so that way anybody that's searching anything related to ClickFunnels, I can be at the top of the search right here. It'll be an ad. For me, that's very, very, very much worth it, because even though it might cost me
power off.
For me, it'll be extremely worth it for me to run YouTube ads and pay for views, because, you know, somebody that's joining ClickFunnels under you, you can potentially make, you know, hundreds to thousands of dollars per year. So even if it costs me $20, $30, or $50 or whatever to get a sale, to get one sale, I know that by month 1 or by month 2, I'd already made my money back on you. Then every month after that is pure profit. So what I'm gonna do is take my review video that I made for ClickFunnels and set up a YouTube ad to promote that video. So right here, I'm inside of my Google Ads account, and I'm about to create an account right in front of y'all. Well, not create an account, but create the ad. New campaign. And to do this, all you need is a review video. You can even pay somebody on Fiverr to create a ClickFunnels review video for you and set up an ad, so that way, you know, if you don't want to rank your video or, you know, create the content and all that stuff, you can just pay somebody to do it and then just run ads. It's gonna cost you some money, which is cool too, but the lifetime value that you'll get from that is completely worth it. So create a campaign, video, click on continue, and all you need is a video and some set keywords to target. Or if you want to place it, you could place your review videos or whatever video either before somebody else's video, so you know those ads that come up and, you know, you can skip it after 5 seconds. You could do in-stream ads, that's what that's called, or display ads, where you can rank right here, or you can rank, where is it, in the related section, right around the up next, your ad to show right here. So that's pretty much what I'm going to set up. Click campaign name, ClickFunnels. I was about to say ClickFunnels review, but I'm just put ClickFunnels. So ClickFunnels, daily budget, I'm gonna do it, set it at $10 with no end date. I want to show up in search results. Yep, because I don't want to do an in-stream video to people that's already, you know, that's why I'd rather just have my video showing first before they even click on the ClickFunnels video. So I'm gonna have it on the search results, all languages. Make sure I do English because that's what I speak. Locations, as long as they speak English. I think ClickFunnels is worldwide, so I'm gonna just go with all countries and territories. Inventory, I'm gonna go with expanded. Excluded types, I want my videos on embedded videos or live stream videos, so check that out. Additional settings, I want to take off tablets and TV screens. That's not somebody that's interested in signing up for something right away. They might be interested but not signing up. So ad group name, I just name this display / keywords because I'm using keyword targeting. So keyword targeting, there we go. Go to my keyword list for ClickFunnels. Copy all of these. So anybody that's searching this, my ad will show up. Paste that in there, and on the right, let me see, your ad will get few to no impressions because your targeting is too narrow. They say that, and then I get a lot of views on it, so I'm not tripping. Bid, I'm gonna just do like 20 cent maximum bid. Probably gonna be around 5 to 10 cent anyway. And then from here, all I gotta do is just take my video URL that I created, paste that into here. Video discovery ad, I'm gonna leave that there. Headline, I could do ClickFunnels review 2020, 30 done for you landing pages. You know what? I'm gonna put that first. Get 30, because you can see on my thumbnail that it's a ClickFunnels review. So my title or my headline will just put get 30 done for you landing pages. Obviously cannot spell right now. Get 30 done for you landing pages. ClickFunnels review 2020. And from here, just click on create campaign. description too. I'm gonna just put 2020 right there. So here's my ad. You can see a preview right here. Move me out the way. Get 30 done for you landing pages, so they can see that with the thumbnail. They're like, okay, this is a ClickFunnels review with 30 done for you landing pages. That's on mobile. Here's a desktop preview, ClickFunnels review 2020, perfect. So now all I gotta do is create the campaign. Congratulations, your campaign is ready. Continue the campaign, and voila. You know, this campaign is probably gonna take a few hours up to a day for it to get approved and running. And yeah, man, I'm trying to get to that dream car contest. I don't think I even covered that in the video. Once you get 100 paying members onto your ClickFunnels membership, you will receive $500 a month, at least towards the car, dream car, whatever car you want. And they got rules and stuff, of course. But right now I'm 24% there. I'm almost there, man. That's why I'm hoping with YouTube ads I can speed this up. Hopefully by the end of summer, I will have my 100 members and my dream car from ClickFunnels. So that's really what I'm working towards right now. But going back to the ClickFunnels 3K strategy, you know, finding your audience, basically making a list of keywords that you can create content around, people that's looking for ClickFunnels or the services ClickFunnels offer, creating valuable content, you know, whether it's in the form of YouTube videos, blogs, you know, paid traffic, however you do it. Then make sure you give out some type of incentive, because why would anybody want to buy from you? Incentives, you can give away a ClickFunnels course, a course related to whatever they're looking for. You get them done for you landing pages or funnels. You can give them free ebooks. There's probably 10 to 20 other things that you can give away as an incentive. And then from there, you give them your affiliate link. You know, after they sign up, show proof. You give them your bonuses, and then it's passive income month after month. And yeah, so far I'm at $3,200 or $3,500 following this same exact strategy that I just taught y'all in this video. But if y'all enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment down below. I reply to everybody. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, subscribe to my channel if you're new. Post videos like this almost every single day. So yeah, subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications, and I will see y'all in the next video.